Okay, kids, let's see what Fresh Hell Williams is today. Maybe this jerry rig GoPro will work better than my other one. Might not be bad today. It's either okay or it's a fucking death trap. If one of these videos happens to catch a first-person traffic death, my boyfriend gets to monetize it. I'm wheeling and these cats are dealing. Nope, nope. That's right. Okay. This is a shitty stretch. Everyone's gotta go to the new seasons. Shouldn't be rude. I'm missing that light. I hate getting into the other lane to turn. I don't want to do it too soon and piss off the cars. And I also don't want to wait too long and not be able to. Come on. Come on, buddy. God damn it. See? I should have done it earlier. Radical. I suppose I'll turn it off now before I get too close to my house.